Good day all. With our SEO course kit, SEO masterclass, you can master SEO in less than 7 days. You can master SEO in less than 7 days. You can rank any website of your choice, your website, client website, any website, okay? So we have made it as simple as ABCD. You can go from basic to advanced SEO, okay? Learning both on-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO, name it, okay? Keyword research, keyword optimization, basic website optimization, advanced website optimization. The lists are endless, okay? So all you need to do is to click on the link below this video to get access to what? The SEO master class. You need it if you have a website. Hearing the sound of my voice, thank you so much. I remain my humble self, Mbono Waxen.